All right, so my first set of car mods have arrived. I have my brake caliper covers right here. I think these are my tire stickers right here, and I think this is, well, not think, I opened it already. This one is the tire sticker glue. So I'm gonna open every package and put them out on the table. By the way, the parts that I've ordered are coming in at different times. So as soon as I get a part individually, I'm putting them on individually, and I'll compile the video so it looks like I did it in one process. Because if I don't do that, I'm gonna have a hard time doing everything at once. So the next amount of parts that I ordered are gonna be, and these are my first mods. We have the performance lettering for the tire sticker, the tire sticker glue, and the calipers. In the next transition, man, I promise you there'll be some other stuff that I just got like this. I just came up from the car when I was fixing the tire stickers, and I got 2 big packages. Now, this big boy means that this is my headlights, I think. I'm not sure what this is because I ordered a lot of stuff, so I'm going to see what this is, but this is definitely my headlights. So guess what? I'm going back down there and I'm changing it out too, man. Let's get it. So it is the headlights. Look at those beautiful, very beautiful headlights right here. And then I have a tire pump that I ordered because I had a flat one time when I was on my way back from school. I bought a toe tag. It's for decoration. I bought a sport emblem, and then I bought a fire extinguisher holder that I have for my fire extinguisher. Let's go. Beautiful. I'm about to go right back down to the car. I'm not even joking. And just like that, the final shipments have came. Now this I like. This is the exhaust tip. This I like. This is the, like a mini side skirts type of thing, would go like in front of the back tire. This is like the front lip that I'm gonna put on. Is like a added like 3 inches to your front, the bumper, the front lip. I like these. These are like these are carbon fiber like vinyl wraps that I bought. This should be like the carbon fiber like mirror visors. I'm not sure if I like them yet. And this is the tint. I bought dark tint, so I'm gonna tint my taillights. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check how dark it is, then I'll decide if I'll take it, put it on or not. I got dash cam, and I don't really like the quality of this. This is a steering wheel cover, but I'm gonna put it on to see. This is the only thing that I think I won't put on the car anymore. I bought decals. It says sport, but you can't see because the sport is white, but it came crushed and everything. That's the only thing I have a complaint with, and I'm probably not gonna put it on the car because it might look tacky when I put it on the car, because the car already looks great with the sticker tires and everything. So quick update, I had put on the caliper covers on. So it's not really a caliper, it's a cover. So you got to use like a adhesive that you got to buy at AutoZone or something to put it on. So I put it on with it, and I had 2 extra that I bought. I had them in house just in case like I replace the tires. I can add them. I said, what am I talking about, bro? Just in case I replace like the brakes and stuff, I have new calipers, so I bought an extra 2. But I decided it's time to put on the stickers, right? The tire stickers. But I noticed I gotta put it over the words, and there's a bump there. But guess what? I'm gonna put it over it either way. If it doesn't work, that's it, man. But I'm gonna put it over. It's too much work to try and get these off. I was trying to rub them off, but I gotta clean the tires now so I can wash, so I can put it on properly with a clean tire. I'm gonna scrub it down with some sandpaper first, then I'm gonna do the wash, mate. Let's get it. I'm probably gonna have to scrub for like 10 minutes or something, bro. But yeah, bro. What's happening? I'm throwing away money, bro.
Hey.
Let's go.
Beats, this go crazy.
Look, I see no flaws, my chain seasick, I see no laws. I been geeking, just skirt off. I ain't leasing, 2 bad Jones, Reese pieces. I been dubbed, is you tweaking? I been in rush, why you feeding? I'm in the jaws, playing defense. I been the boss, it's my season.
I just put on one of the performance signs, sticker on it. Looking good, man. I got the next one. I'm doing the top first. I'm gonna do the top for all of them. Then I'm gonna rotate the wheels and then do the rest. I'm gonna do the top first, then rotate the wheels and do the rest. So I'm quarter way through. I did the top two on my driver's side. I think it's looking good so far. Hopefully it stays and don't fall off when I drive, but I think it's coming along perfectly. Then I have the bottom piece, then the bottom piece. So it's gonna be 4 in total. I did 2 so far. I mean 8 in total. I did 2 so far. Let's get it. All right, I just finished all of it. You can't see it right now, but in the morning I'll definitely come and record it. Yeah, so see you in the morning. Good morning, and this is how it looks. Alright. There. Morning. Just look how mean the car looks from here. I'm literally across from the street looking at my car. I'm in another car. I'm in the Toyota right now. I modded this Toyota too. This is my mom's car. I modded it. It was just black. The wheels are silver and rusty. They were ugly. And there were no tints or anything. So what I did was I tinted it. I put on a visor. I put on window visors on it. And I sprayed the rims black. And I blacked out everything. I blacked out all the decals, like the Toyota sign. The front piece was like what? I think it was brown or something like that. I blacked it out. So it's completely a blacked out car. And then look at mine now. Mine looks like I'm tripping. Mine's like a beast from over here. Now I'm really wondering if I should put the side sticker decals on it. I ordered some decals, some sport decals. Now I'm wondering if I should put it on it because look how good it looks from here. Like just looking at it, it looks mean, right?
Yeah, golf. Yeah, so easy. Yeah, badness going down. Yeah, we flash. Any means possible, man. We have to make it happen, though. Golf for them. Yeah, Shama, you know, you go. How you know about man, you never got nothing, I'm pushing action. Big fat be my dog, do a suction, never reach. Full of option.
Look at the difference with the headlights. Look at the difference. That's crazy.
Just shut up. I'm in a love broke vibes, my tama. In my not face jacket, kicks them clean, I'm my ice on a copy. Move my top steer girl, that's a bad habit. Return in the game, golf life, hush puppy. Mish bunny line, choppy line of toppy. Never tell a like dark mood like Chucky. Sick in my head, dog, yo, Kentucky. Hey. What if would I? What if would I? What if would I? I'm not stop. Dwelling at frauds, I'ma bring a chip clock. Money for my mind, send a ramp for the clock. Every talk. Yeah, my bang fuck, then I see my style, dog.
Ooh, look at the difference though. Sorry if my voice sounds like this. I was coaching some kids soccer and I was shouting, man. But look. Woo-wee. Beauty, look at it. It's surreal seeing it from outside because I'm usually the one driving, so seeing it like this is beautiful. It's beautiful seeing it like this. Very.
off on a beamer. In a I do whip and sinner. Gold fly style rocking the middle figure. My eyes to my freeze, I'm a bank full of figure. Yeah. Pull up in a villa.
Yeah, so everything is done. I didn't tint the back lights, the brake lights, because highly illegal, and I don't want to get stopped by the cops. The car's loud as it is with the tire stickers and everything. So I played it safe. You can call me a wimp, but this beast is looking beasty now, bro. Everything, even my fake carbon fiber wrap, didn't do it properly because it's hard without it like a gun. But I got the visors in carbon fiber, and I got the side skirts real carbon fiber. Look at that beauty right there, matching with the rims. And then the front lip is beautiful also. This is a universal front lip, cheap as ever, bro. I'm telling you, bro, you can modify your car. Anybody can modify their cars for cheap. And I sprayed the rims myself. Sprayed them myself. They were silver before. I'll do before and after photos. Damn. I genuinely forgot to show y'all. I got the big boy fire extinguisher at the back. Yo, don't ask me why there's a fire extinguisher in my back seat. Just know it looks cool, bro. That's all it's there for. It's because it looks cool. Hopefully, I don't need to use it ever. Knock on wood.